Here is a simple recipe for making Baghrir. In a bowl, combine the fine semolina, flour, yeast, sugar and salt. Add the lukewarm water and mix until a smooth batter forms. If the batter is too thick, you can add a little more water. If it is too thin, you can add more flour. Blend it for a minute or two, then cover the bowl and set it aside in a warm place to rise for about an hour or until the batter has doubled in size. I leave mine in the oven at 35 degrees Celsius. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Drop some batter into the pan. Cook it until small bubbles form and the surface starts to look dry. When it is cooked through and the bottom side is golden brown, you can take it out. Repeat with the remaining batter. Serve the Baghrir hot with honey, butter, Nutella or maple syrup. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.